By the end of all this, I'll be having my own photo studio with the green screen, the pyrotechnics, the special effects, and the jazzy intros like I'm doing now. But I've only got 3 minutes, so there we go. Or 4 minutes? What did he say? 4 minutes. Anyway, quickly. So, I'll also be having somebody who does my hair and makeup, because the hair a mess, the beard, the makeup, we can do with them. Anyway, so I've been listening to my family, and they are like really, really glad that today it's Monday, but that the hairdressers are opening again this week. I even have one in my family who was crying because she couldn't get an appointment until the end of June. Can you imagine? So outer beauty apparently is still very important. Now meet my friend Dell. Well, when I say friend, he's actually more of an acquaintance. I used to work with him in Berlin. So you see, friend, acquaintance. Facebook friend, that's down there. Anyway, so if you look closer at the picture, he actually is, he's actually making more money than I am. He works for the biggest names in the fashion industry. There you go. And he's doing pretty well. But your first response, well, I wonder what your first response was when you saw the picture. Now in England we have a saying, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, which means that the person who does the observation, who observes, can decide whether he or she finds something beautiful or not. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Then there's another saying, the inner beauty, or beauty lies within. So it's not just the outside, it's also the inside that does count. So going back to the book that your parents basically paid for, chapter 6, there is a whole chapter about beauty, and there is a link to a YouTube video which I've uploaded in your documents. And it's an experiment by Dove. This is not a paid advertisement, although I'm using First Soap all the time. By Dove, an experiment about beauty, outer beauty, and inner beauty. Attached to it is a task, which you will find in documents as well, and I would like you to read it, and I will explain more in our live session later on today.